Hello, my beautiful Gemini. Before this reading, the first thing I felt was a mental overwhelm. Like your mind has been constantly active, thinking, analyzing, trying to figure out things. But underneath, there is also an emotional exhaustion. So, Gemini, it feels like many of you have been caught between your thoughts and your feelings. And now you're craving clarity, peace, and emotional grounding. So let's call in your spirit team and open up the space for your messages today. We'll start with the spirit guide animal this week. Okay, Gemini, what's your spirit animal for this week? It's coming through as the fox. And the fox brings a very interesting message for you this week. The message is, not everything needs to be solved. Some things needs to be observed. Because what I'm feeling here is, you may have been overthinking a situation, trying to analyze every detail, every possibility, every outcome. But the fox is asking you to step back. Be still and simply watch what unfolds. There's a wisdom in quiet observation. There's a clarity in not reacting immediately. So this week is less about doing and more about noticing, observing. All right, let's move into your tarot messages. The first card that's coming out for you is the Page of Swords. This is your energy, Gemini, the curious, observant, the seeking the truth. But this also confirms that what we are just feeling, there has been a lot of mental activity, a lot of thinking, questioning, trying to understand. And this card is showing that clarity is coming, but not through overthinking, but through awareness. All right, let's see what's next card. You have the Ace of Cups. That's a beautiful shift in your energy because this is your heart opening again. After being so focused on the mind, you are now reconnecting with your emotions. And this brings a sense of peace, softness, and emotional clarity. So instead of trying to figure things out, you begin to feel your way through. All right, let's see the next card. You have the Star. This is deep healing energy for you, Gemini. This is hope returning. This is calm returning. And your energy becoming lighter and peaceful. So if things have felt confusing, overwhelming, this card is showing that you are moving into a phase of clarity and healing. All right, Gemini, let's see what's your oracle message for this week. Your message is, release the need to know. I repeat, the message is the release the need to know. And this is very aligned with your energy because what Spirit is showing is you have been trying to understand everything, trying to make sense of every detail, but not everything is meant to be figured out right way. So some things become clear with time, with space, and with emotional distance. So this week is about trusting the process even when you don't have all the answers. So overall, Gemini, this is a shift from mental overload into emotional clarity and healing. And you don't have to chase for answers. You don't have to solve everything right now. Clarity comes naturally. All right, let's see the angel number coming for you. It's 555. That's a powerful number of change. It means things are shifting quickly in your life, especially in your thoughts, perspectives, and emotional state. So be open to change because it's leading you towards clarity and alignment. What's your closing message, Gemini? This is a powerful mental and emotional reset for you. You are motivating out of confusion into clarity, into peace and understanding. Your mind becomes quieter, clearer, and your energy becomes lighter. So Spirit wants you to know, you need to know everything right now. You don't need to know. You just need to trust what is unfolding. Just trust on Spirit and what is unfolding right now. All right, Gemini. So if you resonated with this reading, just let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here and you enjoy this, please consider subscribing. Thank you, Gemini, for being here. I'm wishing you a calm, clear, and aligned week ahead. All right, see you in the next reading.